What's happening, people of this beautiful world? Just coming down the stairs here of the RV and gonna see what's going on. Out here at Tropical Palms on this beautiful Monday. Figured I'd get a shot of the vibe. Get a little closer. Yeah, beautiful day outside. So I figured I'd get us a shot of the vibe. Some of the weather conditions, as you can see in the sky, it's beautiful. But a lot of people have cleared out. Apparently this concert, Country Thunder, had like over 40,000 people come and see this concert. So a lot of people with their RVs and hotel rooms were all booked up. Basically pretty hard to find a place to stay if you weren't already priorly booked. But I've been booked for about 6 months. I'm in a program that you can book up to 180 days on some places. Encore is 90, but Thousand Trails is up to 6 months ahead of time. But yeah, do the little trailer walk around here and enjoy the rest of this day with my beautiful wife. Alright guys, might even see my grandchildren. Y'all have a great day. Peace.